What's the meaning of battle? Battle. Battle.
Battle. Battle. Battle is a term used to describe a violent conflict or engagement between two opposing military forces, or between individuals, groups, or nations. It typically involves the use of weapons and the implementation of strategic tactics to gain a tactical advantage over the opponent. The outcome of a battle can have significant consequences for both sides, including loss of life, injury, and physical destruction. Battles have been a defining characteristic in the history of human civilization, as nations and individuals have engaged in conflicts over territory, resources, and ideology throughout time. These conflicts have shaped our societies and influenced our political systems and cultural values.